Dumelang, ka leina ke Reamogetse, and welcome to my fashion journal. If you love all things modest fashion, styling and head wraps, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video and leave a comment down below. Today we are doing a SHEIN scarf and head wrap haul. I got 3 scarves from SHEIN and 6 head wraps from there. So let's see what I got. So we're going to start off with a scarf that I've been trying to get a hold of. I could have bought this at either My Ladies or Woolworths. I think I just didn't have money when I saw it there, but when I was ordering I saw this and I said why not. So this is how it comes in the package. This is the scarf. It's very soft, not as thick as I thought it would be, but I am not angry. Also not as long. I genuinely thought this was going to be a very long scarf, but it's decent. It's very decent. It's soft. So I don't think I'm going to be able to use this as a head wrap, only just as a scarf for my neck. I am very happy with the print. I think it looks very cute. Also, the reason why I got this particular scarf is because I have these leopard print ballet flats. I think it would really look good together, so I can't wait to style those together. So this is the first scarf, and then we have the second scarf. It's a multicolor scarf. I forgot the word for it, but I'll just insert it some way. I'm hoping it's very thick because of how the packaging is. I'm hoping it's very thick. Okay. Oh my word, I don't know if you can see that, but this is a bit problematic for me because you see. But besides that, yes, this is what I want. This is exactly what I saw in the picture. I don't know if you can see it, and I'm so happy. It's thick. It's a bit thicker than this one. The colors are perfect because I have a purple jacket, I have a pink head wrap. I just also bought like some green head wraps as well. I have an orange one, so I wanted like a multicolored scarf so that I can color coordinate my head wraps with this. So I'm really excited about this one. And then the ends look like this. So this one is nice and warm. I wish this one was as thick, but I'm not angry. So yes. Okay. And then I got the very same one, but like just in a plain color. I like saying that blue is my favorite color, but when you open up my wardrobe, I have a lot of gray stuff and browns, but I don't have a lot of blue, so I wanted something blue, and I like this blue. It's very soft. Like I said, it's exactly this, just in a plain color. Let me see. As you can see, this is what the ends look like. I love this. I love this. I don't have solid colors as scarves. Yeah, all my scarves are like checkerboard, and like obviously this one and this one, so I'm lying. This is the only solid color scarf like for my neck that I have, and then the rest of them kitty color, so a solid color. So that's that with scarves. Now we're going to look at the head wraps. Remember I said on my TikTok the other day that you shouldn't buy a lot of scarves all at once if you don't know like the material and how it is. I got 6 because I knew what I was buying. It's literally the same material as what I'm wearing here. They call it cotton crush. Is it cotton though? I do not know. I don't think it's cotton. So first up is these. They come as a packet. I received this. I was a bit taken back by the colors because I thought they would be like the picture. Maybe they are, maybe they're very close, but I think the colors are a bit far off from what I saw on the app. I am not too bummed out about that because the reason why I got these head wraps is because I have a skirt, an olive green skirt, and a jacket that are on this color palette, and I always struggle to put outfits together because I don't have head wraps in those colors. I'll just put a picture of the skirt and the jacket so that you can see the colors. So the jacket is closer to this color, and then the skirt is closer to this color. I must say these ones feel a bit thinner than these ones. It is the same thing, it's just that they feel a bit thinner. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Oh, how gorgeous. I love olive green. I love a lot of colors, but like, and then this is the last one. I think I have something similar to this, but I think this one is a bit on the darker side. I'll just insert a picture of the head wrap I'm talking about. But yeah, I thought this would be gray, like a grayish, from what I saw on the app, but it's alright. Then we have a pink. I have a pink cardigan that I never wear, so I needed this, and I also wanted to color coordinate it with the scarf. Oh man, also this would go really well with this dress. I don't know what you guys think. I think it would go, I think it goes well with this dress. I don't know. We have the pink, we have a mustard. It says dark yellow on the website. Yeah, it looks brown on the camera, I don't know why, but like it's a mustard deep yellow. Yeah, but this could also go with this outfit. Then last but not least, we have a gray one. Yes, I do have a gray head wrap, but the materials are not the best materials I have, so I just wanted like something like this. Yeah, very nice, very soft. I'll try to put the dimensions on the screen so that you have an idea of what we're working with. So yeah, that is my scarf haul. This is my first haul. I hope I did good. If you have any other questions regarding the scarves, the head wraps, please do drop them in the comment section, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.